The issue
Well,
is the way that you told me I do what I want to do.
I don't think I said I do what I want to do.
Somebody play back the tape. You said I do what I want to do.
This case starts with instant tension, a defendant named Nolita Rice arguing over how her name was pronounced. What begins as a speeding ticket quickly turns into a heated exchange about attitude, tone, and respect. The judge says she was rude, Nolita says he misheard her, and both refuse to back down. Watch closely. Is this about justice or pride?
25W838904.
Right to the podium. Right this way.
Your name, ma'am?
Nolita.
Nolita?
Nolita.
You gotta keep your voice up.
Nolita Willeen Rice.
So how did I mispronounce your name the first time?
You said Nolita Willeen the first time.
Well, isn't that your middle name?
It's not Willeen, it's Willeen.
Well, it's Wileen. The court administrator gave me your letter. I read it. You gotta be being a little tough though. I don't know. I don't have.
You was rough on me the first time. I mean.
No, I wasn't rough on you.
Sir, I'm not here to argue with you. Please, I'm just trying to mind my business and drink my water.
And do what?
Stay out. I'm trying to drink my water and mind my business and stay out of Woodhaven because I didn't get to explain. I don't come here. I was sent here through an Amazon run. They ran me to, I thought it was Grosse Pointe, ended up being Grosse Ile. So I'm not even familiar with this area.
They got you going 41 in a 25-mile-per-hour school zone.
Well,
listen to me.
There were no signs.
Listen to me.
There were no signs from.
Would you please listen to me?
Sure.
I take offense to your letter. I really do. I don't know where you come up with it. I didn't ask you to state your name like I did with the other defendants.
You didn't?
Especially after mispronouncing your name.
Mm-hmm. When I walked up, you said, oh, you said, Nolita Wileen Rice. And then I walked up to the podium.
I didn't say it like that.
Okay, do we have a recording of the last time I appeared in this court? Because you asked everybody.
So I made a mistake. See, some of us on this planet, even judges, realize we're not infallible. So if I forgot to ask you your name or mispronounced your name by calling you Wileen instead of Willeen.
And Nolita is Nolita.
Nolita as opposed to Nolita.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if I didn't pronounce your name correctly, my sincere apology. I have.
Here's where the courtroom heat spikes. The judge admits he might have mispronounced her name, then takes offense at her letter. Instead of calm resolution, it turns into a power struggle. Nolita insists she was polite, but the judge fires back, saying she's too hard on others. Was he being fair or just frustrated? Let us know what you think.
That's not really the issue. The issue
Well,
is the way that you told me I do what I want to do.
I don't think I said I do what I want to do.
Somebody play back the tape. You said I do what I want to do when I told you that I was driving a rental car that the speedometer was malfunctioning.
You were here for a department rep hearing. I just want to clear the air here. Mm-hmm. You were here for a department rep hearing.
Okay.
Now, the officers should learn a lesson because in an effort to be too kind by writing you initially for impeding instead of 41 and a 25, this is the kind of thing that can happen. If you don't resolve it at a department rep, I'm going to set it for a hearing.
I was not.
Ma'am, don't interrupt me, please. So, you know what, there's no reason for us to go on like this. There was a motion to set. Ma'am, don't interrupt me. You keep interrupting me. And I hope you're as hard on yourself as you apparently are on other people. I pronounced it Nolita as opposed to Nolita, and I said Wileen instead of Willeen. Seriously. If you're that great at doing everything, you ought not be standing here. You ought to be president. But at any rate, I can't My condition caused confusion. So here's what I'm gonna do. In fairness, the officer isn't here, but you didn't show up on time either. I'm setting aside the default judgment. Default judgment set aside. We're gonna reset an informal hearing. If you want, I'll be glad to let you appear by Zoom for that hearing. She'll explain it down there. You can appear by Zoom. We'll reschedule it. If he doesn't show up, I'm gonna dismiss the case, okay? So we'll reschedule it. If you wanna do it by Zoom, Lisa set it for Zoom. Is that what you want?
That would be great.
Then I'll do it by Zoom for you, okay? Good luck. Ms. Smith, I'm gonna recall your case.
Right.
Pardon?
Right.
Rice, I'm sorry. I found out that the police officer apparently went to another department, so I'm just gonna dismiss it.
Well, thank you.
I told him to bring the file down.
Thank you.
Thank you. People against Wallene Rice.
And just when it seems things couldn't get messier, the officer who issued the ticket is gone. The judge dismisses the case and refunds her fine. Ernie, right? After all that back and forth, she wins because the officer never showed. But the judge ends it gracefully, even wishing her luck.
25W838904. Okay, so come on up here, state your name. The likelihood of the officer showing up, I was just told the officer left and went to another department about a week and a half ago.
Oh, wow.
So I'm gonna go ahead and state your name again.
No, Lisa Wallene Rice.
I'm gonna just go ahead and dismiss the case because the likelihood of him showing up is not him or her, or whoever it is.
Thank you.
I'll just indicate the officer left the department. We're gonna refund your money. They'll send you, they're gonna have to cut a check and send it to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck. Case
And,
dismissed.
Sir, I just want to be very clear. I was not trying to be disrespectful to you. I just wanted to be heard because I had a crappy rental car that day.
But I just want you to understand too,
Yes.
the officer wasn't here to have the hearing then. And I can't just listen to one side. So if I went out of my way and made you feel bad, that was not my intent. We get busy in here and I had a lot of cases. I can't hear somebody's side when the other party isn't here. Like if the prosecutor came in and told me something and the defendant wasn't here, it wouldn't be fair for me to make a decision as to guilt or innocence in that way, nor would it be fair for me to make a decision as to guilt responsibility or not responsibility if I just listen to one side. That's all I was trying to convey. I wish you well.
All right,
Good
sir.
luck, no hard feelings. Take care of yourself. Thank you.
Case dismissed, lesson learned. Sometimes courtroom battles end not with a bang, but a balance. The judge softened, the defendant stayed firm, and fairness won in the end. What's your take? Overreaction or justified authority? If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama every week.